How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to BC Auto Solutions YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your battery on your Honda remote. So basically all you need is number one Phillips bit head screwdriver, and then a flat tip screwdriver as well, just to crack it open. These came with Loctite, a lot of them, and pretty difficult to come out sometimes. So what I like to do is put your key on a flat surface and you put some weight on the screwdriver as you turn it, and you really work on it. This one has been out already, so it's not as difficult, but you gotta work it sometimes. So once you've got your screw out, let me see if I can show you here. This one has a tiny bit of thread lock on it. Anyways, you're going to put it flat so it doesn't roll over or roll off your bench. Now there's a little cutout here. You're going to put your flat tip screwdriver in there and just give it a little twist, and it cracks open. So here it is, the battery. Make sure you keep this part downward so your buttons don't fall out or anything like that. And then you're just going to pop it out. Sometimes you could use either flathead or... So at this point, you would put the new one in. Positive goes face down. As you can see here, there's a positive also on there, so you can't really mistake it. So, like I said before, positive, back in, face down. Then you're going to hinge it. Snap it back together. Put your screw back in. You could at this point add some Loctite if you wanted to. I wouldn't, because it's really not necessary. If you do end up stripping this, you're gonna have to break the case open essentially, and it's gonna create a hole over here, and they don't really sell these back cases separately, so you would either need a new key, or you could glue it back together or tape it, whatever you would, but you would definitely damage the key. And then after you're done, just make sure it's lighting up. There you go to go. This is a newer style key. This is the latest style that Honda has. You have something like this. This is older. Same thing. Screw in the back. This one doesn't have actually does have a little cutout right here. So just pop that out. Same process. Make sure you put the battery on right, and it should be good. Alright guys, let me know what you thought about the video. Leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.